These are the express elevators at the shops at Hudson Yards, Bank AD, Midtown Manhattan, New York City, and here's this one back. Turns out, might have been sitting here waiting for us. These are a lot busier than the local elevators. Just as fast as the local elevators, though. Here we're back at the first floor.
First floor.
Go to 5. This is Bank AD. Here we're back at 5. These are ThyssenKrupp Momentum, going at 350 feet per minute, which is relatively fast for 5 floors. Very tall cabs. Watch the button go out. Here we're back at the first floor. There's your directory.
First floor.